Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord account using the mobile application. So all you have to do is simply launch the Discord application. And if you're logged in, all you have to do is simply log out from your account, and then you should get to this page. Now, since you want to create a new Discord account, all you have to do is tap on register. Now from here, you should see two options. You can either choose to sign in using your phone or register using your phone, or you can simply use an email address. So since I already have an email address, I'll just tap on email and then type in the email address that you'd like to use. So let me just type it in. Then from here, all you have to do is tap on next and then type in the display name you'd like to use. So let me just type a display name and then tap on next. And then from here, this will be your username. So you can leave it at that, or you can change it. So if you want to change it, you can just change it. And then you can tap on password. And then from here, you can type in the password that you'd like to use for that particular account. So let me just do that. Now, once you type in your password, all you have to do is tap on next. And then you'll be prompted by Google if you want to save this password. So I'll just say not now. And then choose the date of birth. So just put a random date. And then tap on confirm, and then simply select create an account. Now you have to verify that you are a human, so all you have to do is tap on confirm and then fill this captcha. So all I have to do is just do that. Then once you're done, simply verify and then give it a few seconds. And then you'll be asked, do you want to sync your contacts to find people on Discord? I'll just say skip for now. And then you can skip this one as well. And then from here, you'll be prompted to choose a profile picture. So I'll just choose one of the Discord avatars. But if you want to create your own, all you have to do is tap on plus and then choose the application that you'd like to use to launch that particular image. So let's say photos, and then find the photo you'd like, select it, and then tap on the check mark. And then crop that image to suit your needs. Or if you want to rotate, you can tap on rotate and rotate it at 90 degrees, another 90 degrees, or you can simply use this slider to rotate it to suit your needs. So whichever you prefer, all you have to do once you're done editing it, all you have to do is tap on the check mark. Then once you're done, simply click on next. Or if you don't want to choose your profile picture now, you can simply tap on skip. So since I've already selected, so I'll just tap on next. And there you go. You have successfully created a new Discord account. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.